3 video of resonance and coupled circuits related with unionized subject 8251 circuit theory. So already we discussed the syllabus in the previous 2 videos. In this video we will cover almost 3 problems which is asked in previous Anna University semester question. First question asked in June 2001 as well as May 2011 part B. Second question asked in December 2005 part B. Third question asked in December 2010 part A. Let us move into the first question. A series RLC circuit with R is equal to 10 ohm, L is equal to 10 millihenry and C is equal to 1 microfarad has an applied voltage of 200 volt at resonant frequency. So we will see the given data in the circuit diagram. If the circuit diagram is not given in the question paper, we have to draw that RLC series along with an AC source 200 volt. So what we are going to do, calculate the resonant frequency first. So resonant frequency formula FR is equal to 1 divided by 2 pi root LC. So 2 pi into root of L into C. What is the value of inductance? 10 millihenry, which is equal to 10 into 10 power minus 3. C value is equal to 1 into 10 power minus 6 microfarad. So which is equal to 10 power 1, 10 power minus 9, which is equal to 10 power minus 8. So root of 10 power minus 8 is equal to 1 by 2 pi into 10 power minus 4. So root of 10 power minus 8 which is equal to 10 power minus 4. So take into the numerator which is equal to 10 power 4. 234 divided by 2 pi. 10,000 divided by 2 divided by shift pi, which is equal to 1591.54 hertz. So the resonant frequency FR is equal to 1591.54 hertz. Let us move into the next part of the question. What is the current in the circuit and voltage across the elements at resonance? So current at resonance. So current at resonance condition. So under resonance condition, the circuit will be pure resistive. That is, even though the inductance as well as capacitance present in the circuit, which effects are absent. Hence, you should ignore the effect of inductance as well as capacitance. So I is equal to V by R only. Because at resonance, an AC circuit will exactly behave as DC circuits. Hence, XL will be ignored, XC will also be ignored. So V by R is equal to 200 divided by 10, which is equal to 20 ampere. So second part. So next, the current in the circuit and voltage across the elements at resonance. So voltage across inductor. So next, part 3. Voltage across the elements at resonance. At resonance, first voltage across resistance we have to find. Next, voltage across inductance we have to find. Third one, voltage across capacitance also we have to find. So VR is equal to, as per Ohm's law, I into R. What is the value of I? 20. What is the value of R? 10, which is equal to 200 volt. Next, VL is equal to I into XL. What is the value of I? 20. Already we found. XL 2 pi F is nothing but resonant frequency 1591.5 into L value 10 millihenry, which is equal to 10 into 10 power minus 3, which is equal to 10 power minus 2. 20 into 2 into pi into 1591.54 10 power minus 2 should be equal to 1999.98. Almost 2000 volt is the voltage across inductor. So VL is equal to 2000 volt. Next, capacitor voltage VC is equal to I into XC. I into, what is the value of XC? XC is nothing but 1 by 2 pi FC. So I 20 divided by 2 pi 1591.5 into capacitance value 1 into 10 power minus 6 farad. 20 divided by 2 divided by pi divided by 1591.5 into 10 power minus 6 should be equal to 2000 volt. The value of voltage across capacitor is also 2000 volt. The value of inductor just now we found, which is also 2000 volt. So voltage across resistor 200 volt, voltage across inductor 2000 volt, voltage across capacitor 2000 volt. Now if you add this 200 plus inductor voltage, already we discussed the phasor diagram. So this is the effect of resistance, effect of inductance, effect of capacitance. Here the potential is 2000 volt. Here also the potential is 2000 volt. This is nothing but capacitive effect. This is nothing but inductive effect. Both will have same magnitude. Hence the effect will be ignored. So if you apply KVL, here 200 volt, here plus J 2000 volt, here minus J 2000 volt. Hence these two will be cancelled. Automatically KVL should satisfied here. If you add resistance voltage plus capacitance inductance voltage and capacitance voltage, you should get supply voltage. So that is main thing. What is the remaining term we have to find the quality factor, fourth one. What is the formula to calculate quality factor? The inductive voltage by supply voltage, the capacitive voltage by supply voltage, or 1 by R into root of L by C. You have to use any formula. Here we have to use VL by V. VL is equal to 2000, V is equal to 200. So the quality factor which is equal to 10. That is, the circuit magnifies 10 times of the supply voltage. So quality factor should be equal to 10. Now, what is the remaining term we have to found? Number 5 is bandwidth. Bandwidth. What is the formula for bandwidth? R by 2 pi L. Using this formula also we have to find the bandwidth, or bandwidth is equal to FR by Q, resonant frequency by quality factor. So resonant frequency just now we found 1591.54 hertz, quality factor which is equal to 10. So the bandwidth which is equal to 159.154 hertz. So first resonant frequency, the answer is found. The second, resonance current, the current at resonance, second value. Third one, voltage across resistance. Fourth one, voltage across inductance. Fifth one, voltage across capacitance. Sixth one, quality factor. Seventh one, bandwidth. So question number 2, a series RLC circuit has resistance 50 ohm, inductance 0.01 Henry, capacitance 0.004 microfarad. Find resonant frequency FR. FR is equal to 1 by 2 pi root LC. Circuit impedance Z is equal to R. Current under resonant condition I is equal to V by R. Voltage across inductor under resonance when the supply voltage is 100 volt. So the supply voltage is given as 100 volt. Already we draw the circuit diagram. If it is not given, you have to draw the RLC series circuit diagram. Resonant frequency FR is equal to 1 by 2 pi root LC. What is the value of inductance? 0.1 into capacitance 0.04 into 10 power minus 6 farad. So which is equal to 1 divided by 2 pi, which is equal to 10 power minus 2, 4 into 10 power minus 2. So minus 2 minus 2, 10 power minus 4, 10 power minus 10. So within bracket 4 into 10 power minus 5. So which is equal to 1 divided by 2 pi, root of 4 is equal to 2. Here 10 power minus 5 into 10 power minus 5, because the term is 2 plus 6. So minus of 2 minus of 2 minus of 6 minus 10. So take 1 10 power minus 5 outside, 10 power minus 5 here, which is equal to, take into numerator 10 power 5, 1 2 3 4 5 divided by 4 pi, 2 pi into 2, which is equal to 4 pi. What is the value of resonant frequency? 1 2 3 4 5, 1 lakh divided by 4 divided by pi, which is equal to 7957.74 hertz. So first term resonant frequency is over. Second term, circuit impedance. What is the value of circuit impedance at resonance? Z is equal to R. R is equal to 50 ohm. Okay, what is the third term? Current at resonance. At resonance, current will be V by R, not V by Z. So V is equal to 100, R is equal to 50, which is equal to 2 ampere. So what is the term 4? VL, voltage across inductor, voltage across resistor, voltage across capacitor. So voltage across inductor should be equal to I into XL, which is equal to 2 into XL, 2 pi FL, 2 into pi into F value 7957.74 into L value 0.01. 0.01 is nothing but 10 power minus 2. So inductor voltage 2 into pi into 7957.74 into 10 power minus 2 should be equal to 999.99 volt. Almost 1000 volt is nothing but inductor voltage. So next, resistance voltage. What is the voltage across resistance? VR is equal to I into R. I is equal to 2 ampere, which is equal to 50 resistance. So 100 volt is the voltage across resistance. 1000 voltage is the voltage across inductance. If you want to find VC, which is also 1000 voltage, but the magnitude is in opposite direction, just opposite to the inductor. The magnitude will be same, but the direction is just opposite. Okay, but here the inductor voltage is we have to find current voltage across inductor. So with this problem will be over. So what is the first term they have to ask? Resonant frequency, circuit impedance, current at resonance condition, voltage across inductor under resonance when voltage is 100 volt. Okay, let us move into the third question. December 2010 2-mark question. Determine the quality factor of this coil for the series circuit, series RLC circuit consisting of R 10 ohm, L 0.1 Henry, C 110 microfarad. So the quality factor of the circuit, which is equal to 1 by R into root of L by C. 1 by 10 into root of 0.1 into 10 into 10 power minus 6. So this will be 10 power minus 1. So this into this will be 10 power minus 5. So this will be cancelled, 10 power minus 4. So which is equal to 1 by 10 into root of 1 by 10 power minus 4. So root of 10 power minus 4 should be equal to 1 by 10 into 10 power minus 2. So 10 power minus 2 plus 1, which is equal to 1 by 10 power minus 1, which is equal to 10. That is 1 by 10, which is equal to 10. So the quality factor which is equal to 10. So in this video we discussed 3 previous year Anna University questions. Thank you, my dear students.